Hello everybody, Bobby Rader here. Thought I'd take a minute and answer some questions, some frequently asked questions that I get about copper lock and the new Farmblox system. And one of those is copper lock only for irrigation pumps, VFDs, electrical panel systems? The answer is no. You get a lot of flexibility with the copper lock. If you have a pump system that has been hit and you install a copper lock system, it's going to come with this base station. This base station talks to a monitor box. This base station can handle 10,000 of these monitor boxes. The monitor box speaks to the base station via radio frequency. So here we have at this site, we just got done installing a copper lock system on this pump and the associated panels. And the question was asked to me, well, I have a pump a half a mile from here. Can I set up that far away? Yes. These monitor boxes can talk to the base station for several miles. So all you would need to do is take one monitor box and a cut sensor over to your small pump system half mile away or 2 miles away. This is all the equipment you would need. The monitor box will talk to the original base station here at this site, so that if that pump system gets tampered with or a theft is attempted at that site, this base station will send all the necessary alerts and the alarm can go off here, or you can have an alarm kit installed at that site. Very simple to install, very light hardware. I was also asked about Connex boxes where ag chemicals are kept, tools, some older sheds that don't have any power hooked to them, that are in very rural areas in the middle of fields that hold tools, ag chemicals, etc. Those types of facilities are all over the place. You could absolutely take these two things and create an alarm at that rural site. You would just simply take this monitor box, hit this button, it will automatically connect to the nearest base station, plug this cut sensor into it, and you have your trigger wires. The trigger wires don't care what they go through. You can use these for anything. A sliding door on your shop, the door mechanism on your Connex boxes. Let's say you have 2 quads or 100 quads, side-by-sides and trailers outside of the shop. At the end of the day, you simply run your trigger wire in and out of that equipment and no one can move it without cutting or damaging the trigger wire. You'll have the same effect as if there was a copper wire theft. Lights, sirens, alarm, mass notifications, getting law enforcement involved within seconds or minutes, not days, weeks, or months later. So while the copper lock was designed initially to stop copper wire theft, it's very flexible. In fact, one of our favorite success stories was on a chain link fence theft, where the trigger wire was integrated into the fabric, the chain link fence fabric, and the criminal was cutting the chain link fence fabric and the copper lock went off and the criminal left. They did not complete the theft. The trigger wire can be used to run through anything that you don't want to move. Your pump systems, your side-by-sides and ATVs, your rural sheds and shops, batteries at wind machines, your fencing, very flexible system.